The Mark of the Beast. What is it all about? Now, this subject is probably one of the most debated when it comes to end time events, and it's also one of the most misunderstood subjects. Just the phrase strikes fear and a sense of urgency amongst Christians today. Is it a microchip or a tattoo? Is it some kind of brand or logo that people are forced to wear in their foreheads or right hand? Is it literal or symbolic? We learned about the prophecies of the books of Daniel and Revelation, Daniel chapters 2 and 7, in connection to Revelation chapter 13. Daniel 2 talks about the statue that was shown to us through King Nebuchadnezzar's dream. God had shown us that the statue was a timeline of prophetic events, particularly showing us the succession of superpowers that would rule the world starting from the head of gold, which was Babylon. Then Daniel 2 says that after Babylon would come the Silver Empire, which was Medo-Persia. Then Medo-Persia would be conquered by the Bronze Empire, which was Greece. Then the Iron Monarchy of Rome would take over to become one of the most powerful empires in the world right before being picked apart and divided by 10 barbarian tribes, 3 of which are now extinct. Daniel 7 talks about the same exact prophecy, except God shows us new information. In Daniel 7, Babylon was represented by a lion with wings, Medo-Persia was represented by a bear with 3 ribs in its mouth, Greece was represented by a leopard with 4 heads and wings, and Rome was represented by some kind of dragon with iron teeth. Then Daniel says that out of the head of that dragon was 10 horns, and then a little horn would sprout out to pluck up 3 of the first 10 horns. This little horn would think to change the prophetic times of God and the law of God. He would speak blasphemy, which a lot of you now know means he would claim to be God on earth and claim to have the power to forgive sin.